Some people like to work on stitching leather projects by having a stitching pony that will hold the project, and then you can use both hands to do the stitching. Another great thing about this technique is that sometimes when you've already stitched and have one thread in the hole, when you go in with the other one, you split that thread, and that keeps it from looking as symmetrical, and also you can get really stuck and have to take everything out. So I'm doing this simultaneous two needle stitching, meaning that I put both needles through the hole and then pull them both through at the same time, so there's no way that they could puncture a stitch that was already in there. So I'll do that again. So just using your knees and give the thread a good tug each time, and you'll stitch much faster than if you're just doing it in your hands. You can see here that I have my feet up on a stool so that I can get this work very close to me.